Welcome to the best picks. The best hair bejeweler is probably one of the most dazzling and fun accessories you can add to your beauty routine, transforming an ordinary hairstyle into something extraordinary with just a few simple clicks, allowing you to express your unique style and sparkle at any event, from casual gatherings to glamorous parties, making it an absolute must-have for anyone looking to elevate their look effortlessly and creatively. Number 5. Crystal Flat Back Rhinestones Kit. This comprehensive kit provides 2,000 clear rhinestones in 6 versatile sizes. It also includes essential tools like a tweezer and a pick pen to help you with your creative projects. These flatback gems are perfect for bedazzling clothes, phones, or various crafts. Say goodbye to messy handling with the 2 professional pickup tools included. The black tweezer and gem picking pen allow for easy and precise placement of each tiny gem. They are ideal for creating intricate designs on fabric, plastic, or metal surfaces. You'll find 6 different sizes, from 1.5 mm to 6 mm, all neatly organized in a 12-grid compartment box. This makes it easy to select the perfect size, whether you need small ones for nail art or larger gems for shoes and bags. The organized storage keeps them tidy and ready for your next project. Crafted from real glass, these rhinestones feature multifaceted cuts that ensure a brilliant, long-lasting shine. They are designed to resist yellowing and scratching, maintaining their sparkle over time. These durable flatback gems will stick firmly to various materials like fabric, metal, and plastic. With 2,000 pieces, you'll have plenty for countless projects, from decorating a wedding dress or phone case to embellishing a guitar. They are also perfect for nail art, scrapbooking, and jewelry making. This versatile set opens up a world of creative possibilities for all your DIY art. What we like. This set offers a massive quantity of high-quality glass rhinestones in various sizes. If you are a serious crafter or need a large supply for multiple projects, you should consider this comprehensive kit. Its included professional tools ensure precise application for intricate designs. What people say. This tool is very easy to use and it works with different hair types, adding a touch of sparkle to any hairstyle. The Hair Bejeweler allows for quick and effortless application of gems, making it simple to create unique and dazzling looks. It securely attaches the jewels to the hair, ensuring they stay in place throughout the day without falling out. Number 4. KLMARS Flat Clay Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Discover endless possibilities with this amazing kit. It allows you to craft beautiful bracelets, necklaces, and more, sparking imagination in every project. Keep your children busy and away from screens with this exciting activity. It helps develop their hands-on skills and enhances their imagination. Creating stunning jewelry is now incredibly simple. Just thread the beads together, no special skills are required, only your brilliant ideas. All the charming beads are neatly arranged in separate compartments. This ensures you can easily find what you need and keeps your workspace clean after use. This kit is perfect for making various accessories like anklets, keychains, and earrings. It also improves creativity, color perception, and hands-on ability. Craft unique and beautiful pieces as special gifts for your family, friends, and loved ones. You can also enjoy quality time creating with your children. What we like. This kit is designed for easy and fun jewelry making, especially suitable for children. If you are looking for a creative activity to do with your kids that keeps them away from screens, this is an excellent choice. Its simple threading process requires no special skills, making it perfect for beginners. What people say. No positive points could be extracted as the source JSON for reviews is empty. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 3. Flower Luxury Rhinestone Hairpin Barrette Clip for Mom. Discover a touch of refined beauty. This exquisite piece is designed to elevate any look with its sophisticated charm. Adorned with intricate flower designs and shimmering rhinestones, it captures light beautifully. Its detailed craftsmanship ensures a stunning accessory. More than just beautiful, it provides a secure and comfortable hold for your hair. You can wear it with confidence all day long. Show your appreciation with a thoughtful present. It makes an ideal gift for mothers, celebrating their grace and style. Presented in a rich dark blue, it offers a versatile and elegant color choice. This shade complements various outfits and occasions. Whether for a special event or daily elegance, it's the perfect accessory. It adds a touch of luxury to any hairstyle. What we like. This elegant hairpin features a sophisticated design with sparkling rhinestones. If you like classic, luxurious hair accessories for special occasions or as a thoughtful gift, this piece is ideal. It adds a touch of refined glamour to any hairstyle effortlessly. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted. Number 2. Conair Quick Gems Hair Jeweler. Want to add a touch of glamour to your look? This innovative tool makes it incredibly simple to achieve dazzling results right at home. No complicated steps or salon visits required. You can easily apply beautiful gems to your hair in just moments, transforming your style instantly. It's designed to securely place sparkling jewels onto your hair. Imagine the possibilities for parties, events, or just everyday fun. With this device, you can quickly elevate any hairstyle from ordinary to extraordinary. It's perfect for adding that special something to braids, updos, or loose waves. Experience the joy of quick and easy hair adornment. It allows you to express your unique style with minimal effort and maximum impact. What we like. This device allows for quick and easy application of gems directly onto your hair. If you want to add temporary sparkle to your hairstyle without much effort, you should consider this innovative tool. It's perfect for a fun, festive look that can be changed easily. What people say. Number 1. QIUTIMIY Pearl Rhinestone Crystal Hair Pin Set. Elevate your hairstyle with these exquisite hair pins. They are designed to add a touch of sophistication and sparkle to any look. This comprehensive set includes 48 pieces, offering 4 distinct styles to choose from. You'll have a perfect match for every occasion. Each pin is adorned with beautiful pearls and dazzling rhinestone crystals. Their intricate design ensures you'll shine brightly. Featuring a unique twister spiral coil design, these pins are easy to secure in your hair. They provide a comfortable and firm hold throughout the day. Ideal for weddings, bridal events, proms, parties, and other special moments. These accessories will complete your elegant ensemble. The set comes with a clear container for easy storage and organization. Keep them safe and ready for your next glamorous event. What we like. This extensive set provides a variety of elegant pearl and rhinestone spiral pins. If you are preparing for a wedding, prom, or any special event and need versatile hair embellishments, this collection is perfect. Its multiple styles allow for diverse and sophisticated updos. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.